So, good morning and good afternoon or good evening. So we are here at the accommodation 118. This is the accommodation of Sunoco and catering or offshore catering crew here in Louisiana. So we're just gonna check what we have inside. So here's my friend Byron Nunes from Costa Rica, and this is the accommodation looks like inside. So as you can see, this is the Sunoco accommodation that have a complete setup, a house setup for a crew that accommodate here. We have a tables, couch, TV, and you see a sink, two sink with a refrigerator and stove and oven. So here's my friend Angelo. So he's cooking lunch for the crew, offshore crew, and as you see, we have a microwave and cabinet, complete setup for daily living, for a crew here in offshore catering. So this one have a room here inside with a bathroom, toilet inside, and complete setup of 2 beds and 1 toilet. So we're gonna check out inside the bedroom and check what's inside. So here's the laundry area, and this is the first room. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 room inside the accommodation. So let's check the room. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry bro, I just want to shoot the accommodations that Sunoco give us, or the offshore catering crew. So this is the first room. Sorry. And then this is the other room with a bathroom. And as you can see, we have a complete setup for a cruise accommodation with a nice bathroom fixtures and a bathtub that we can use for those who have accommodate this room or this bunkhouse. And I just want to thank the one who let me vlog this room and also this bunkhouse, Mike Buna, shout out. And this is the third room. So as you can see, this is the third room with a double deck bed and a 1 side bed, and also including with a bathroom inside. Oh no, bathroom, a storage. And this is the washing machine that they use here. So there's a dryer and a washer. So this is the clothes, and this all guys, the accommodation, a good accommodation here at Louisiana, home of offshore catering crew. I hope you like this video, and just like and subscribe. Thank you. By the way, if you have some question and comments, you can write a message on my inbox. Thank you, and God bless.